Good news! We dodged the basketball showers!
Hooray! I hate flying!
Easy for you to say, lazy, crazy Daisy Fanning. You aren't even cranking.
I don't have any arms, so I can't help you guys.
You know how you could help.
Ah! So painful!
Yay!
Don't hurt her! You know what? I'll crank it.
Guys, what's that spire in front of us? It's huge!
Just like your massive inflated noggin.
And is that a bunk bed on top?
Well, steer away from it. I don't want to crash.
Sure thing.
What do you think that cloud looks like?
I think the cloud looks like a snowball, because I'm not blind.
Well, I think it looks like how big my enormous brain is. Wait.
Silly, Queenie! The bugs are our host, and it's just telling us it's time for Kitty Cat Steak!
I can't understand them.
Not a problem, Nickel. My yoil straw can also translate bug ease into English. Watch.
7 of you are up for elimination.
That was impressive!
So rude.
What do you mean, so rude? You bought tickets to watch this cake and steak.
Oh, right.
Nickel, Pin, Bommy, Prize, Tennis Ball, Golf Ball, and Queenie. Whoever gets the most likes gets a prize. Whoever gets the most dislikes is eliminated.
Isn't this thrilling?
Well, let's see who won the prize.
Prize! Prize! Prize!
Pin wins the prize.
Congratulations, buddy.
Spin the wheel already, Pin. We dare you. Well, since you won't spin it, it looks like you'll win. Excruciating pain for 2,763 years. Sounds fun.
Stop. I have had enough of Pin being the butt of your jokes. I will spin it. Whoops!
Regain your face, your size, and a state-of-the-art mech suit. Oh, my tater.
Pin shall rise! Pin shall rise! Pin shall rise!
Guys, I'm feeling uneasy.
Return of the woe! Return of the woe! Return of the woe!
Yay! I'm back to regular size. And I got my face, and I got my limbs. Oh. Wait, they got my face on the wrong side.
Maybe Pin can get her brain back too?
Wow, you fixed it.
Welcome back, Pin! Pin, it's so nice you're complete again. What's the first thing you want to do now?
Oh, that's an easy one.
Tear down the free smartest who did this to me.
Run!
You need to stop violating cake and steak etiquette, Pencil. Maybe now you'll learn your lesson.
Oh, my word! The bug's poisoned Pencil! How can we let her suffer such a fate?
Oh, yeah, we never let that happen!
Oh, if the bugs are gonna kill us, then we gotta kill the bugs with Spongy!
Huh?
On to the elimination. We got 57,725 dislikes. You'll get a poisoned instrument if you're safe. Queenie and Pin are the first ones safe.
Yes! Body back, and now I'm in the final 10. This day just keeps getting better and better.
Tennis Ball is also safe with 5K.
Yay! Hello there, Golfy.
That joke is adequately funny. C+.
Now we're down to Nickel, Bommy, Fries, and Golf Ball. The lead switched hands between you guys at least 3 times, and all of you got over 10,000 dislikes. You repulsive dislike magnets.
Ironic, you're calling us repulsive.
I wouldn't call our hosts repulsive, Fries.
Nickel is nice, so he's safe.
Woo! Kindness wins again!
Fries is mean, but he's safe.
And it's dead.
Wait, but that means...
It's down to Bommy and Golf Ball.
We're so used to getting prizes! This can't be happening!
TV, calculate my chances of winning.
It's 1 out of 11, so 9.090909 repeating percent. But don't you normally like doing the math yourself? Are you nervous?
Not nervous, just verifying. For Spongy to kill the bugs, we need them all in one place. I hear they like sugar.
I got you covered.
Perfect. The place that where Spongy's gonna land. It's working. Keep going.
Here we go, here we go.
Save some for me.
Okay, now back up. Hooray! eliminated?
Golf ball, don't you see? Our host has been killed.
No matter, we've been through this before. Come, host, now!
But Golfy, who the heck is my next meal?
Who's calling me?
Wait, perfect! You can't forget to!
What's that noise? Start bragging!
What? I can't hear you.
Start bragging!
Oh, right. How could I forget?
Phew! That was too close.
I'm gossiping about this. Hey, BFF, you would not believe what I just saw.
No, wait, Bfdia, spill the beans.
Was that Barfak's voice? What isn't she?
Spongy just died.
For real? No, my friend broke the bone. Call you back.
Sure, I'll see you later.
Enough dying! Who's eliminated?
Well, all the books are dead, and Barfak picked up the phone, so I guess she's the host?
Awesome! Wait, hold on. I'd love to host. Let's reveal the votes. Golf ball. I don't really know you, but you are eliminated!
What? Wait, I'm the world team leader.
No, not Golfy! Wow, this is like gonna be so satisfying.
Tennis friend, keep inventing devices. That's how you can win this for the both of us. And now my chances of winning were from 9.09 repeating percent, 0.000%. Wait, is that a golf club?
Awesome! Another team no-namer.
Oh, great.
Like, now that that stupid Bozo Brain Bossy Butt is gone, spin the, wheel to choose the contest.
Yay! Match is back!
Get out of here, Match. I'm the host now.
But I gotta do this for Free Smart, and I wanna, see pin spins.
Rules are rules.
Why don't we have everybody in the locker of losers host?
Okay.
Yay!
But seriously, spin that contest wheel already.
Guys?
Oh my gosh! Grand flute!
I'm not dead.
Oh my gosh, you're alive! But we paid a lot for that poster, so...
Enough killing. I would never advocate for that.
What bunk bed?
The one atop the spire, silly.
Since the bed only fits 2, you'll have to split into 5 pairs to compete.
Sounds good. Pit, wanna form a team? Of course.
Oh my gumdrop, Free Smart, we gotta form a team!
You can't have all 4 members on one team. You have to split up.
Darn, well, Pencil's dead and Needle's the rookie, so we can do a team of me and Book.
Gee, thanks!
Aw, man, without my Golfy by my side, who could I possibly team with?
Why not me? I have the same shape and limbs as her.
I guess you'll do.
Woo! I feel so appreciated right now.
Wait, but that means I have to team with... the kidnapper!
You literally tried to murder me.
Yo, weaklings, have you all formed teams yet?
Yeah!
Then let's crash that bunk bed!
Okay!
We're here.
So, let's go over the rules. Get to the bunk bed on the top of the spire. There will be 5 floating islands along the way.
Don't slow down, because a certain someone sure doesn't like trespassers.
Who's that?
Silly question. Anyway, the last team to get to the end will be sleep deprived and up for elimination.
Only 2 people in danger? That's so few.
But how will we get to Island 1?
Wade, who asked that question?
Me, the only ball with lines.
Well, only ball with lines. Figure it out yourself. 3, 2, 1, go!
Can you believe it, Pointy? Now that I have wheels, we're in first.
No, Ben, we're in last.
Aw, man.
Climb that spire, Bonnie. The bunk beds are probably in the air.
Whoa! I'm not used to this. You do it!
Well, I sure as dirt ain't listening to you.
No way!
We gotta go for the vines, Ruby.
Oh yeah, made it here first. Those who are green are Speedy Machine.
Really? That
all my work. We left our dear rookie behind.
Well, Pencil always promised me that if she ever died, we could bury her in the Free Smart Super Coffin!
Pencil wanted to be buried in a coffin with a rocket engine.
Of course! What's this? Put Pencil inside!
Hello, contestants! I'm Donut, first boot of Bfdia, and welcome to my island. As a prize for getting here, you may take a blanket.
Oh, my blacksmith, Donut. I haven't seen you since the days you said no.
Yeah, that's me alright. On this island, your goal is to fill these jetpacks with fuel and try to use them to fly the island too.
Oh, sounds delightful. Now, where could I find this fuel you speak of?
Hey, Pin, can your mech suit climb vines?
It can.
Oh, my felt. We're falling behind.
Stop shaking me! Stop shaking me! I mean, we're the only team with no arms anyway. What did you expect?
Wait, I know what to do. I invented metal to fuzz glue.
Whoa! What are you doing?
Now, between the two of us, we have 4 limbs.
Oh, yeah!
You have arms, so you should climb!
I'm not gonna!
Would you do it for one of my fries?
I hate fries! Oh, sweet!
Want more? Come and get it!
Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh!
We've reached Island 1!
So have we! Sugar Crash!
Welcome to Donut Island, teams 2 and 3. Ruby, Brooke, Bryce, Bommy, long time no see.
Indeed! And I think your island is...
Tasty!
Look, Donuts, we have to fill these jetpacks with fuel, but I can't find any!
Needle, there's no fuel on Donut Island. It's cherry filling.
Oh, I get it!
Climb, 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 climb!
I'm excited we get to compete again.
And I'm excited for revenge.
But wait, your power cable.
Huh?
Go figure. I'd like to order 2,763 extension cables.
Thank you for your order.
I built an ecosystem-destroying oil rig to extract jelly filling as fast as possible.
And I built, well, I'm not really sure how to contribute.
You could suck the pollution out of the air with this straw. It's done! Nickel, let's go.
Sure thing.
Ooh, I want to use the oil rig too!
Would you look at that? Our only armless team soars to first place. Congratulations, Tennis Ball and Nickel.
Why, thank you, Donut. You know, I haven't heard much from you since you said
No!
But you don't make a bad host after all.
Huh.
The coin and ball already finished! Bobby, wake up! I need your help! Get digging, Bobby! The ingredients are probably underground! Hey, Book, how does this jetpack look?
Wow, you got it so full, Ruby. Let's find Island 2 now.
Yay!
Oh, man, you guys are so fast! Only I had a rubbish team member!
Yeah, well, be sure to give Pencil a stern talking to at the next Alliance meeting.
Ooh, these must be the extension cables. Not evil Leafy. You're all plugged in now.
It's working.
Woo! What a picturesque island. And it's got a vat of anti-poison on it.
But who's hosting this island? Oh, it's you. Fine, I'll take a pillow.
Wow, there's more of me out there. Fascinating.
But wait, how could Dora host an island? Doesn't she eat?
Don't say it.
Looks like someone's got the munchies.
What an unhinged host we have here. And I'm referring to her jaw, not her mind.
Dora, you know you won't be able to taste any of the islands through the metal walls, right?
We have to eat an island to ascend? I don't like the sound of that. Oh, great. You're here too now. What's with your friend?
Sugar crash.
We're flying! Whee!
Yes, you are, Ruby.
From here we can see the pink frosted mountains, the glazed hills, the churro pillars, and the donut sinkholes. It's needy. Whoa! What's happening? Are you sure the fuel you collected was pure jelly filling?
I think so. It was from TV's oil rig.
Oil rig? That garbage is polluted. Polluted? No! Yes!
Finally done! Oh no, they're doomed! To become a Free Smart member, one must show an act of sacrifice!
Ow! Watch where you're going!
Oh, I know where I'm going!
Wait, Needle threw her jetpack at us. Catch it! Next time, think twice before shrinking my body. I can't believe that just happened.
Let's give up.
Yeah.
Wake up, wake up!
Where am I?
Eat an island!
No, that sounds disgusting! You do it!
Eat another sugary fry! Okay.